All right, so here's some tutorial on how to reach out to Facebook support person, right? The actual person, not the bot, and how you can get in touch with them and get them to help you with the problem you have. Chances are you click on this video because you have some issue right now with your ad manager. So I'll be quickly go through what's going to cover in this video. So this video is split into two parts. So the first part will be the actual way how we can reach out to the Facebook support. And then the second part, I will share something that can help kind of like expedite your progress or your request so that it's something that can prove to Facebook that you are a serious business doing a serious stuff. So here goes. Okay, this only can be done on your web browser. So open up your browser, open up your ad manager. Okay, now on your ad account, okay, make sure you're on the right business manager. On the ad account, go to the question mark right here. Okay, there's a help. Click on that. Okay, so this is where we have the option to contact support. So you have a system to auto detect for some stuff that could be issue, right? For example, this one, or it's something else, right? Now, if you're already been blocked, then there's some issue with this one. So click on this. And what you'll notice is they will just give you a generic article, help article. Okay. But if you scroll down more, you can click on the contact support again. So this is where you can reach out to actual person. So you see this average wait time, 6 minutes, right? Put your number, email address, right? Are your business or the agency, right? And you can start the chat, right? So this is how you can do it. Now, how we can show proof to Meta that we are a serious business? We are here really to compliance with all their policy, everything, and we hope that they can see us as someone who is worthy of expertising the request, right? So obviously, the bread and butter is to review your ad policy, right? Before you hit the publish button, always check and make sure you're compliant with the ad policy. This will prevent your ad being blocked or your account being disabled, right? And also, if you have the money to do so, you can subscribe to the Meta Verified. It's a feature that gives you like a blue check mark. So go to your personal Facebook page, okay? Personal page, not the business page. Click on the three dot right here, and there's a Meta Verify, right? So when you click on that, you will see something like a page to ask you to subscribe, right? So inside the benefits, you give you enhanced support, right? So to use this, you need to use a mobile app to use it, right? But just the fact that you subscribe to that, tell them that, hey, you are a serious business, willing to do a serious stuff. You're not doing something shady. Then the last thing is make sure your business manager is verified. Get your business verified. It's a sign, it's a signal to Facebook that you are a serious business. You're not doing anything shady. So they should reconsider like whatever they did to you. Yeah, so that's it. This is a very quick video on how to reach out to actual Facebook support. So I have a client just recently. He has some issue with copyright. So someone copyright strike his page. Whole page gone. Right. I help him to get in touch with the Facebook support. They get on the phone call, right, to get the stuff sorted out. So this is the power of being able to reach out to actual person in Facebook support, because dealing with their automated system is very it's a pain in the ass, right? You know that. So yeah, hope that's helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.